This right here is my fried chicken. That's the way I fry chicken. I put it in a pan like this. Well, before I put it in the pan, I put extra virgin olive oil in there, and I pulled the skin off of it, off this chicken, and then I put the chicken down in there like that, and with the skin side down first, and then I put onion powder and garlic and a little bit of salt and pepper, and I put that on it, and then I set it on about 4 right there, medium, not quite medium, and I just let this simmer, and it'll fry it, and that's good for you because they don't have that chicken fat, and it has the olive oil on there. So yeah, that's how I fry my chicken. And olive oil is good for you because it helps clean your arteries out. That's good chicken right there, cooked all the way through.